Yeah, sure. So we'll touch base on the 2025 contributions that you can do into retirement plans, and then I'm talk about oil and gas. I think Thomas is talking more about leveraged donations. Is that correct?
Yeah. Charitable marketing campaigns is what we're calling those.
I like that. So, as a lot of you know, that the each year it seems like the contribution you can put into some type of retirement plan for a defined contribution or defined benefit plan increases each and every year. But you're able to put up to 23,500 into a 401k, 403b, 457 each and every year if you're under the age of 50. We do have a lot of our business owner clients start solo 401ks, whether in the traditional or in the Roth space. So it's a great opportunity to put more into a retirement account other than an IRA, where we're limited to either 7,000 or 8,000, depending if you're under or over the age of 50. So if you're between the age of 60 and 63, this is somewhat new. You can actually do more than the catch up of the 7,500 into a 401k. You could do 11,250 bucks. So another great opportunity to get almost $35,000 a year into a either tax deductible traditional account or even a post-tax Roth account. We have some clients that want to layer on top of a defined contribution plan through 401k and profit sharing, and they go into defined benefit plans like the old school pension or cash balance plans. And it's a way of getting a few $100,000, if not more, into a tax deductible plan. So, really, from the low side of IRAs all the way to the high side of defined benefit plans, there's a great opportunity to set some money aside for long term growth, which is fantastic. So that's kind of not old news, but not as attractive as what we're talking about with a lot of clients now, which is the oil and gas contribution. I personally believe, as we have Chase, the attorney, walking up there. There's Chase. I personally believe that energy sector in general as an investment will continue to rise in the coming years, mostly in the nuclear and the natural gas aspect. I do think with the rise of AI and just the need for energy, natural gas is one of those solutions. So one of the investments we do for clients is through a company called MDS Energy Development Corporation. And what they do is they do horizontal drilling or fracking into outside Pennsylvania or around Pennsylvania in the Marcellus Shale to be able to generate natural gas. And with this investment, we can do what is called intangible drilling costs, IDC. So if you invest in this fund, you're able to deduct 70% year one, year two, 16%. And then after we are done with the first 2 years of potential deductions, you can turn it on as an income stream. So it's a great way to diversify your portfolio to maybe go after an area that we think is only going to rise. That investment, let's say it's 50,000 or 100,000 or 500,000, can really substantially reduce some of your adjusted gross income, but also provide some mailbox money in the future. This company, MDS, has been doing it since 2015. So they have over 9,000 investors